Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping. And before we get started, can you tell if this is blackheads or just dirty pores? Leave a comment below. Today's Pimple Popping Week in Review includes this impressive dilated pore of Weiner. And this keratin-filled epidermoid cyst. For reference, keratin is the type of protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. Keratin can also be found in your internal organs and glands. Keratin is a protective protein, less prone to scratching or tearing than other types of cells your body produces. Next up is the great weight loss submission by former WNBA player Katie Gal. I think I'm saying that right. Stick around for more about weight loss later in the video. These nose blackheads come to us from Dr. Vikram. He is the OG pimple popper on YouTube. What do you think of his technique? Many people say he doesn't get the entire content out of blackheads. And here is a healthy baby with a lot of hemangiomas. Should we do a full video about hemangiomas? Leave your opinion below. Now a word about my favorite weight loss formula and appetite suppressant, Thinnergy.
Hi, my name is Jory, and I'm here to give a testimonial about Rest More. The thing I love most about Rest More is that it puts me into a deep sleep to where I'm not restless or tired the next day. I take 2 Rest Mores a night. It helps me relax, mellow before bed instead of laying in bed and all my thoughts are everywhere and I can't go to sleep. Rest More has really helped me since then, because without Rest More, I would always be laying in bed, not relaxed, my mind going every which way. But as soon as I started taking Rest More, it relaxed my mind and my body. If you're looking for a better sleep, I recommend Rest More.